This is the elevator at Nordstrom at International Plaza and Bay Street in Tampa, Florida. We're gonna go to. It's a Schindler. We are at 2. Here's your certificate. And here's your cab view. Brass cab. We're gonna go down to 1. Here's your emergency phone. According to the interlock, this was installed in January 2001. That'll be it.